Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the June Boxycharm. This box, I can't. I literally cannot. These products are amazing. I live for Boxycharm. I did a look with the products in the box. So first I'm going to start off giving you guys details about the products, telling you about the cost, and then at the end of the video I'll do a little I wouldn't really call it a get ready with me, more so just creating this look. So if you're interested to see me unbox what's inside here, create this look, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what came inside my box this month. I have 6 products in here that I'm going to show you what they look like. I'll also give you the price. This month's theme was Caribbean Queen, and as most of you guys already know, it did come with the 3-fold little pamphlet here. They gave this to us back in April and everybody went crazy over it, and then they went back to the old style of the, I forget what it even looks like. Honestly, I don't even, to me it really doesn't matter because as long as the products are lit, then who really cares? But this is easier to read, and so let's see. First thing I want to talk about is the lip product that came in my box this month. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. It is their long-lasting liquid lipstick, and mine came in the shade Verona. I've never actually tried any products from Ofra, so I'm super excited to try this lipstick. I've heard nothing but good things about it. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little, oh wow. Wow. It looked a lot thicker on the doe foot, and I thought I would have a little bit of a harder time applying it even to my hand, but it went on very smooth. It's a beautiful color. It retails for $21. Next, the product that everybody was so excited about is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. This is the travel size. This retails for $10. I've never tried the Bum Bum Cream before, but I have heard good things about it. Everybody says how good it smells, so it does. It smells, it almost has like a cocoa butter smell, but better. The next product in our box are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, and let me tell you something. I love to I'm like a Boxycharm whore. I like to know what's coming weeks in advance, and when people get it, I like to see if they like it or not. So I've watched a bunch of different videos, and every single video that I've watched, when they show me these lashes, I feel like they look so cheap. I figured, so they cost $28, and you can use them up to 25 times, and they're silk lashes. But I was like, I don't know. They just looked so cheap to me. So now that I have them in person, they really are stunning. They look very soft and wispy rather than the really, really inexpensive Ardell lashes that are the actual lashes themselves are plasticky looking. These are far, far from that. They're actually very wispy and very silky looking. So those are gorgeous. Cannot wait to try those. I will be applying those later in the video. The fourth product that I want to talk about is the Jante Blue eyeliner pencil. Mine came in the shade dark brown, so I'll swatch it for you guys. And actually, I don't have any brown eyeliner, so this is perfect for me. I'm pretty sure it was through, here's the eyeliner. I'm pretty sure it was through Boxycharm that we received the Jante Blue lip liner, which I absolutely loved. I'm not a huge fan of stick eyeliners, but I'll use it. In my waterline it's perfect. But the fifth product that I want to talk about is this brush set. It's a 3-piece brush set from Luxie Brushes. I swear to God, I just don't understand how Boxycharm pulls this shit off. Every month we pay $21 and we get well over $100 worth of quality products. That's the thing. I love to try new brands because there are so many brands out there in the market that I've never heard of that have great stuff that I absolutely love. I use so much stuff that I've gotten from my Boxycharms. It's crazy. Okay, so this is a 3-piece set. This retails for $42. It is the 3-piece Flawless Complexion set. So let's see here. This one here is the 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. This one here is the 660 Precision Foundation Brush. Now this feels way too soft to be a foundation brush. I actually applied my foundation off camera and I did my brows and I set my under eyes. I did not do contouring or highlighting or anything like that, so I will be using these for that. And this is the 522 Tapered Highlighter Brush. These bristles are very soft. I love the pink handles. It's nice. These are very nice looking brushes. And like I said, these retail for $42. Last but not least is the eyeshadow palette. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. This retails for $28. So these are 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. And one thing I thought was super cute was that they put little, what do you even want to call it? Like little symbols next to the shade name, and if the symbol has a sun next to it, you're supposed to use it on a dry brush, but if it has a raindrop symbol, then you are supposed to use that on, like, you can use it wet, like with MAC Fix Plus or whatever. But the funny thing is, so all the matte shades have the sun and all the shimmer shades have the raindrops. So I'm gonna do a look with this. I'm gonna do a look with all my products. So if you're interested to see that, stay tuned. If not, that was my box. Let's go. Okay, so I really like this eyeshadow palette. I really think these shades are gorgeous and they're very pigmented, very opaque. I had a pretty easy time blending them out. The shimmer shades though, you guys, I can't. Here's what they look like. Alright, you guys, yeah, I definitely love the eyeshadow palette. This is great. I love the lashes. They look beautiful on the eye. I like how wispy they are. So far, so good. I'm going to use the foundation brush to contour. I think that would work the best for this. I'm going into the Pure Cosmetics that we got last month from Boxy, so let's see. Okay, so you really gotta work hard with this brush to spread out the powder. It looks a little splotchy. I would not recommend using the foundation brush for contour, so I'm just gonna use my own brush. Let me get this contour done. I want you guys to see how much powder the Duo Fiber brush picks up. So if you look in here, this is just my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So as you can see here, clean brush. Now watch when I go in and pick up product. I literally just, look at that. Like, how cool is that? That picks up so much powder and it just like sits in the bristles there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for, but because I did try and set my face off camera, like my nose, but it didn't really do the best job of that. I have to find a use for this, but I just wanted you to see how much product the fibers picked up. Now let's just go ahead and highlight using the tapered highlighter brush. Hopefully this does what it's supposed to. Let's see. Yeah, it does. I like it. It's okay. I'm definitely going to have to give these brushes a little bit more time to play around with and use them before I like make my mind up, but they are attractive brushes and I like them. They're alright. So I'm going to go in with the Ofra lipstick. Let's see. Second. Sorry about that, guys. My camera did cut out while I was applying this lipstick, but I really like it. I think it looks great. I believe they thought about pairing this month's lipstick with the palette because they go very well together. I'm just looking at myself in the mirror down here. Excuse my hair. I just friggin' gave myself highlights and it's a little splotchy and I haven't done it yet. It's just air drying, so I apologize for that. But the last thing I do want to try on camera is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I do want to give you guys my thoughts about how it feels. So I'm going to rub it on my arms. First off, the smell really is so good. I mean, you're probably not going to see anything on camera, but it feels good. It went into my skin very nicely. It doesn't feel sticky. And that smell is just enough to... Oh my god, the smell alone is just incredible. So I'm interested also to see like how long it takes me to get through this small container because everyone's been saying that they already own this and a full-size container is hard to get to the bottom of, so we'll see. So this is my completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video that I made here for you. Side note, you guys, so do you remember the show called How to Catch a Predator with Chris Hansen on NBC? So I used to obsess over that show. Like, I loved watching it. Totally forgot about it. Like, it's been years since I've seen it, and the other day I was on YouTube just like scrolling through and it came up and now I cannot stop watching it again. Like, I'm watching all the old episodes and I hope that you're not judging me for that because I love to watch like sick shit on TV and like movies and documentaries and stuff. But the thing I will say is How to Catch a Predator, nothing bad actually happens to the like decoy or whatever, so that's a good thing, and they always catch the predator and they end up going to jail. So is it bad? I don't know. It's bad, but it's addicting and I can't stop watching it, so I just thought I'd let you guys know. Anyway, like I just said, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. I'll follow you back. Just follow me and I'll follow you back. I love to get to know my Instagram followers as well. So have a wonderful day, you guys. Take care. See you on the next video. Bye.